Ah! You were thinking that I, myself, CrazyKitty, was dead? Think again, cause I'm crazier than ever before in my entire life. Cause right now, I'm gonna make some cereal in the bowl, and I'm gonna place some milk on the side of the bowl without pouring any milk in the bowl, and no one is going to stop. Alright, that is somehow rather uncomfortable to see around my eyes. Because my eyes are closed. Or are they? Anyway, I wonder what my adorable little subscribers are doing right now. I hope they're doing alright because of my sudden disappearance. Cause being a mystery sure is cool and all. Oh! There's my laptop. Now then, let's see what my channel is right now. What?
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Well, time to throw this in the trash. You know, this calls for an upgrade. Much better. Now then, let's see what my channel is right now. Oh. Hello everyone, this is CrazyKitty, and I'm back at it once again. Anyhow, there's a lot of things happen around 2020, and I did not expect those events happen around 2020. Anyhow, I really need to apologize for my absence. Yeah, that's the thing I need to do. Cause I really don't want anyone to consider that I'm dead or anything. So anyway, I'm back, and that's all that matters. So anyway, you're gonna say, CrazyKitty, what are you gonna do next? What kind of comics are you gonna do? Well, to be honest, I was thinking about getting back to a certain comic that was published around several months ago. You know, it's called Perfect Harmony, and it was published by Blue Blood Tanuki. Yeah, that comic. Just go around my channel and you will see it. Well, there's this video that I made around January 19th, 2019. And it's called Deltarune Chapter 1, Voice Dub, Part 1, The First Day. I really need to get back on it, cause I need to finish the whole thing, cause it's only Part 1. So that's my second attention that I need to do. There are a number of fandoms that I haven't checked recently. The first one was called Has Been Hotel, and I haven't watched it. I heard it was made by Fancy Pop or Fancy Pop? Fancy Pop? I will go watch it if that's alright. And the next one will be Helltaker? I heard it's a game, and it was developed by a skeleton with glasses. Anyhow, I might play it if that's alright, and take a good look around the fandom by this Helltaker stuff. Mostly, I did not expect Undertale to be, you know, still alive. You know, I checked around comic dubs, and there is still some, you know, Undertale comics. Like really, I did not expect it at all. Anyway, the next one, well, the last one might be Ark Knights. It's a tower defense game on mobile. and it's pretty good, like really good. I played it a couple of times recently, and I had pretty much fun around it, like really. Anyway, there's some good upgrades for me. I got a new computer set, no more laptop for me. And the next one, I got a new setup for my microphone. It's real proper, and it's called the Snowball, yay. And, that's pretty much it. Cause I got nothing else. Just a new computer setup, and a new microphone setup. That's pretty much it. And that's pretty much it. Sorry. But there's a little message from me, and if you're still watching my videos, then thank you so much for watching them, even if I'm gone and all that. But I'm gonna make some more, just for your enjoyment. So thank you so much, and thank you for being a subscriber around my channel. So thank you, and see you next time.